Wonderful townhouse in Tarpon Bay Moorings West/40 dock on wide canal. Home has impact windows and doors, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, large tile-covered lanai. 1 bedroom bath on first floor, master was bath and 2nd bedroom bath on 2nd floor. Master has wonderful views and a balcony, which has been replaced, with great sunset views. New tile on diagonal on first floor, new kitchen, cabinets, counters, appliances, except frig was there when they bought. Upstairs AC is new, first floor AC is 7 years old, outside stained in 2013, $17,000 in new siding done recently, and stained, interior recently painted, new ceiling fans in LR and master. Home was tented for termites in fall of 2017, all clear. Unit is next to pool, great for entertaining. Very quiet neighborhood. Furniture is negotiable.